Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks to eat healthy and stay fit. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to eat like a pro athlete and burn fat fast. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. You can actually eat delicious and nutritious foods that will help you perform better, build muscle, and lose fat. All you need to do is follow some simple guidelines that I'm going to share with you right now. First of all, you need to understand that not all calories are created equal. Some foods are more filling, more satisfying, and more beneficial for your body than others. That's why you need to focus on the quality of your calories, not just the quantity. You want to eat foods that are rich in protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods will keep you full for longer, boost your metabolism, and support your health and well-being. Some examples of these foods are lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, beans, nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy oils. These foods will provide you with the essential nutrients that your body needs to function properly, repair itself, and grow stronger. They will also help you balance your blood sugar levels, which is crucial for fat loss and energy. On the other hand, you want to avoid foods that are high in added sugars, refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. These foods will spike your blood sugar levels, cause inflammation, and promote fat storage. They will also make you hungry, cranky, and tired. Some examples of these foods are candy, soda, pastries, white bread, white rice, fried foods, processed meats, and junk food. These foods will sabotage your fat loss efforts and harm your health. Now, you might be wondering how much of each food group you should eat. Well, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to that question, because everyone has different needs, goals, and preferences. However, a general rule of thumb is to eat about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, 0.3 to 0.5 grams of fat per pound of body weight, and the rest of your calories from carbs. This will give you a balanced and flexible diet that will suit your needs and tastes. Of course, you don't have to count calories or macros every day unless you want to. You can simply use your hand as a guide to estimate your portions. For example, a palm-sized portion of protein, a fist-sized portion of veggies, a cupped hand portion of carbs, and a thumb-sized portion of fats. This will make your life easier and your meals more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.